Stop posting your raw Lumion renders. They look flat and fake. Let me show you how to fix them in 10 seconds using just the phone.
When you open your Photoshop, we load the picture which you want to do. The first thing you have to do is go into the crop, and under the crop, you locate the Instagram aspect ratio and try to pull it down a little bit. Good. After that, go for the adjustment and start with the texture. Move texture to 58. Yes. Move clarity to 41. Good. Move your sharpen to 23. We don't need a lot of sharpening. We just need little. I can leave it at 21. Leave your reduce luminancy. Reduce color to 62. Okay. When you've done that, go for the dehaze and move that one to 24. This will help to increase the clarity of your work. Ignore grain, fade, and go for exposure. In exposure, just move it a little bit to 12. Good. And in the contrast, move it also a little bit to 14. You don't need much of all this because you have done that in Lumion. Remember, it's in my presets in the link in my bio. All right. So in the highlights, we go for -70. This is now working against the exposure and contrast, which you already did. Remember, we did that. I did that in my presets. So we don't need to be doing a lot of things. It's just to make our work look clean and sharp. So for the shadows, we go for 31, which is -31. Remember, -31. If you want to go in the white, move the white to -50. Okay, -50. The black, move blacks to 15, a little bit to 15. Good. Now, you don't need anything in temperature. You don't need anything in the tint. You don't need anything in the vibrance. You don't need the saturation. We are going to go to this place now, this virginate. Now, under this virginate, move it to -31. -31. Okay, -31. Okay, let's just leave it as -30. Now, we have done it. Now, see the difference and look at the real one. Look at the real one. If also you want to add a borderline to your design to give it a very, very good, unique look, you can just choose this basic and it will just give your design a very, very good look. After doing that, just click on this button. This button, you want to save it in your phone. So just click it. After loading, it will be in your phone and you will see the real new picture. Now you can see how it looks like.
I used my realism presets to get the lighting perfect, so I even touched my phone. Grab the presets in my bio, then try this edit.